Namaskaram. My name is Ami and I'm a Hatha Yoga teacher from 2022 batch. I was diagnosed with stage 3 lung cancer in February of 2023 this year. And I knew from the get-go that I was not going to take any treatment. My doctor gave me 6 to 9 months and I am in my 11th month and in the final stage. It has been an absolutely amazing journey, including these 11 months. I just want to share some thoughts, experience, perspective. First and foremost, Sadhguru, you rock. My 11 months have been a smooth ride and it is only because of you. And I am in complete gratitude and bow to you. Thank you. I hope my sharing will get people to talk about death as something natural, because it is. Every generation existing today is blessed to have Sadhguru in this lifetime. Pranam.